Hi, Luna. How are you today?
Hi, Jack. I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Welcome, everyone, to our English Learning Podcast.
Yes, we are so happy to see you here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our show.
Today, we have a fun topic. We will talk about jobs.
That's right. We will talk about our work, daily routines, and favorite activities.
Luna, let's start with simple questions. What is your name?
My name is Luna. And you?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, Luna.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. Where are you from?
I am from London. And you?
I am from New York.
Cool. How old are you, Luna?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 30 years old.
Great. Do you live in the city or in the countryside?
I live in the city. And you?
I also live in the city.
Perfect. So today we will talk about jobs and work.
Yes, we will learn new words and sentences about our jobs.
And we will ask each other questions. You can also answer with us.
Yes. Try to say your answers in English. Repeat after us.
So, to summarize, today we learned names, ages, countries, and cities.
We also introduced our topic, talking about jobs.
And we invited you to join us. Now we are ready for the next part.
Yes, let's talk more about personal information and our jobs.
Now let's talk about jobs and personal information. Luna, what is your job?
I am a teacher. I teach English. And you, Jack?
I am a designer. I design websites.
That sounds interesting. Where do you work?
I work in a small company in the city. And you?
I work in a school near my house.
Do you like your job, Luna?
Yes, I like my job very much. I like teaching students. What about you?
I like my job too. I enjoy creating new designs.
That's great. Now, let's talk about your family. How many people are in your family, Jack?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister, and me. And you?
I have 5 people. My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me.
Do you have any pets, Luna?
Yes, I have a small dog. His name is Max. And you?
I have a cat. Her name is Lily.
Cute names. Pets are great. They are our friends.
Yes, they are. Do you live with your family, Luna?
Yes, I live with my family. We eat together and talk together. And you?
I live with my parents too. We have dinner together every evening.
That's nice. Family is very important. Let's talk more about jobs. Luna, what time do you start work?
I start work at 8 a.m. And you?
I start work at 9 a.m.
And when do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m. And you?
I finish work at 3 p.m.
Do you take a break at work?
Yes, I take a lunch break at 12 p.m. I eat and rest a little. I do the same. Lunch is important.
What do you usually eat for lunch, Jack?
I usually eat a sandwich and some fruit. And you?
I eat salad and bread. Sometimes I have soup.
Do you enjoy your work, Luna?
Yes, I enjoy it. I like helping students learn. And you?
I enjoy my work too. Designing is fun.
Let's repeat some words we learned. Teacher, designer, work, company, school, family, parents, brother, sister, dog, cat, lunch, break.
Great. Can you try saying these words? Repeat after us.
Also, we talked about our jobs and our families.
And we learned how to talk about pets and daily work times.
Now we are ready to talk about likes and dislikes.
Yes. Next, we can discuss our favorite foods, colors, animals, and hobbies.
Let's go.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes. Luna, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza with cheese and vegetables. And you, Jack?
I like pasta. I eat it with tomato sauce and cheese.
Yum. Do you like spicy food?
Sometimes. I like a little spice. And you?
I don't like very spicy food. It is too hot for me.
That's okay. Everyone likes different foods.
What about drinks? Jack, what do you like to drink?
I like coffee in the morning and water during the day. And you?
I like tea and fruit juice.
Great. Now let's talk about colors. Luna, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. And you?
I like green. Green is calm and nice.
Yes, green is a nice color. Do you like red?
Red is too bright for me. I prefer green.
I like red sometimes. It is strong and happy.
Now let's talk about animals. Do you like animals, Luna?
Yes, I love animals. My favorite animal is the dog. And you?
I like cats. Cats are quiet and soft.
Do you like birds?
Yes, I like small birds. They are colorful.
I like birds too. They can sing.
Let's talk about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time, Luna?
I like reading books and walking in the park. And you?
I like drawing and listening to music.
That sounds fun. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing football. And you?
I like swimming and yoga.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies in the evening. And you?
I like movies too. Comedy is my favorite.
Now, let's talk about dislikes. Jack, what food do you not like?
I don't like broccoli. It tastes bitter. And you?
I don't like mushrooms. They are strange to me.
Do you dislike any activities?
I don't like cleaning my room. And you?
I don't like running in the cold.
That's normal. Everyone has dislikes.
Let's repeat some words we learned. Pizza, pasta, coffee, tea, blue, green, red, dog, cat, birds, reading, drawing, music, swimming, yoga, football, movies.
Yes. Try to say these words in English. Practice every day.
And we talked about favorite foods, colors, animals, hobbies, and dislikes.
Now we are ready to talk about daily routines and a typical day.
Yes, let's move on to that next. Next, we can discuss daily routines. Luna, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. Every morning I brush my teeth and wash my face. And you, Jack?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I also brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, what do you do in the morning?
I have breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs. And you?
I drink tea and eat fruit for breakfast.
Do you go to work after breakfast?
Yes, I go to school at 7:30 a.m. It takes about 30 minutes. And you?
I go to my office at 8:30 a.m. I take the bus.
What do you do at work, Jack?
I design websites. I use a computer all day. And you?
I teach English. I help students read, write, and speak.
Do you take a break at work?
Yes, I have a lunch break at 12 p.m. I eat and rest a little.
I also have lunch at 1 p.m. I eat sandwiches or salad.
After work, what do you usually do?
I sometimes go to the gym or walk in the park. And you?
I go home, cook dinner, and spend time with my family.
That sounds nice. Do you have free time in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV or read a book. And you?
I listen to music or draw in the evening.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. And you?
I sleep at 11 p.m., sometimes later if I have work.
Let's talk about weekends. What do you do on weekends, Luna?
On weekends, I visit friends, go shopping, or watch movies. And you?
I play football, go to cafes, and sometimes travel to nearby towns.
That's fun. Do you like relaxing on weekends?
Yes, weekends are for rest and fun.
Let's repeat some words we learned. Wake up, brush teeth, wash face, breakfast, go to work, lunch, rest, cook, dinner, free time, read, watch TV, sleep, weekend, relax.
And we talked about a full day, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Yes, now you can describe your own daily routine in English.
Next, we can talk about evening activities and how to end the day.
Yes, let's finish our day together in the next part.
Now let's talk about evening activities and bedtime. Luna, what do you usually do after dinner?
After dinner, I spend time with my family. We talk about our day. And you, Jack?
I relax and watch TV or listen to music. Sometimes I read a book.
That sounds nice. Do you cook your dinner, Jack?
Sometimes I cook. I make simple food like pasta or salad. And you?
I usually cook. I like to try new recipes.
Do you like eating together with family, Luna?
Yes, it is very nice. We share our stories and laugh.
That is important. Family time is very good in the evening.
What time do you usually go to bed, Jack?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I try to sleep early. And you?
I sleep at 11 p.m. Sometimes I read a book before sleeping.
Do you have a bedtime routine, Luna?
Yes, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then read a little.
I do the same. Brushing teeth and washing face is important.
Do you like relaxing before sleep, Jack?
I like listening to calm music. And you?
I like drinking warm tea and reading a story.
What about weekends? Do you go out in the evening?
Yes, sometimes I go to the park or meet friends. And you?
I sometimes go to a cafe or meet friends, too.
Do you like quiet evenings at home, Jack?
Yes, quiet evenings are nice. I can relax and rest.
Me too. It is good to rest after a busy day.
Let's repeat some words and actions. Dinner, family time, talk, laugh, cook, relax, watch TV, listen to music, read, bedtime, brush teeth, wash face, sleep, calm, warm tea.
Yes, try to say these words and actions in English. Practice every day.
Today we talked about evening routines, family time, and bedtime.
We also practiced saying common actions and words for the evening.
Remember, you can tell your own evening routine in English now.
Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly and clearly.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.